Watermelon rubber band experiment. Hello, dear little hearts. Welcome back to Dear Little Hearts, where curiosity grows bigger every day. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this adventure with your friends. Today, we're learning something surprising. What happens when curiosity stretches too far? A curious afternoon. It was a bright Saturday afternoon. Peppa and George were playing in the backyard when Daddy Pig carried out a big, round watermelon. Wow! Peppa cheered. It's huge! George poked it gently. Boom! Daddy Pig laughed. Not boom, George, but today we're doing a science experiment safely, with grown-ups helping. Mummy Pig added kindly. This is something children should always do with adults. Peppa's eyes sparkled. A science adventure. The plan, Daddy Pig explained. We're going to carefully place rubber bands around the watermelon to see what happens when pressure builds. Peppa tilted her head. Pressure, Mummy Pig smiled. When you squeeze something from all sides, the force grows stronger. Peppa imagined hugging George too tight and giggled. Stretch, stretch, stretch. One by one, Daddy Pig gently added rubber bands. Peppa counted. 10, 20, 30. The watermelon looked squeezed. The rubber bands stretched tighter and tighter. Everyone stood back safely. Why are we standing far away? Peppa asked. Because safety always comes first, Mummy Pig answered. The big surprise, more rubber bands were added. The watermelon began to change shape. It wobbled slightly. Peppa gasped. Is it going to pop? The watermelon burst open, splitting apart with a loud surprise. Juicy pieces fell onto the grass. George blinked. Watermelon rain. Peppa covered her mouth, then burst into giggles. Daddy Pig laughed too. That's science. What did we learn? Peppa looked thoughtful. So when pressure builds too much, something has to give? Exactly, said Mummy Pig. Pressure doesn't disappear. It builds until something changes. Peppa thought about when she feels upset. If I keep my feelings inside, do they build like rubber bands? Mummy Pig nodded gently. That's why we talk about our feelings. Peppa smiled. So instead of bursting like a watermelon, we share. Calm reflection loop section. Soft music plays. Narrator voice. Curiosity helps us learn. Safety keeps us smart. Sharing feelings keeps our hearts light. You can repeat this section slowly with calming music for long-duration storytelling. What an exciting experiment! Today we learned about pressure, we learned about safety, and we learned about emotions too. If you love this science adventure, subscribe to Dear Little Hearts for more fun discoveries every week. See you next time, little explorers. Moral of the story: curiosity helps us learn new things.